Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, and on this Volkswagen Tiguan we're going to go over how you would replace your cabin air filter. Your cabin air filter is the filter that will it filters the air that you breathe inside your vehicle. It's located onto the blower fan for your AC component. So on this vehicle, it's on the passenger side, and this is the glove box above it, and we have this little cover that we have to take off, and it's got just two plastic cap screws that we undo. And with those two plastic cap screws undone, then you'll be able to pull this little piece of foam down and away, and then you'll see right up in here is a little cover plate that you need to just pull to the right to be able to get it to unlock. It's got those tabs that lock it in, and now you'll be able to pull this filter out. Just pull it straight down and be able to get your new one to put in there. And so we take the new one to install. It has the airflow arrow pointing that way, but you can only really put it in one way because we got that slant on there. So once you get it pressed up in there, then you get those tabs to go in. And press it over to lock it in place. Then you would just go ahead and reinsert the foam piece down here, put in your two plastic screws, and that's how you replace your cabin air filter on your 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.